Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro Drone 2022 newest EVO 2 Pro rugged bundle with 6K HDR video version 2, no geofencing, f2.8 to f11 aperture, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, extra 32G and 64G SD, fly more combo. Hi, welcome my friend. Autel EVO 2 Pro Drone, champion of picture quality and flight intelligence. Go beyond the boundaries of aerial photography. EVO 2 Pro advanced camera settings, including an adjustable aperture range of 2.8 to f11 and a maximum ISO of 12,800, which means that it can be adjusted in a variety of lighting environments, enabling photographers to capture very accurate and clear images. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance with 12 visual sensors, equipped with 19 groups of sensors. The EVO 2 Pro can easily build three-dimensional maps and plan paths through complex terrain in real time. Autel EVO 2 providing up to 14 minutes of flight time in forward motion and up to 9 kilometers, 5.5 miles away and 35 minutes at a hover. All three camera modules support a variety of shooting modes, including single shot, burst shooting, auto exposure bracketing, time lapse, high dynamic range HDR imaging, night beat, high signal to noise ratio. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.